DownloadSource.net.
Hey everyone, Josh from Download Source. This guide is for anyone who has a Corsair VOID PRO Wireless who cannot get it connect after updating to 3.19.120. Okay, basically once you've updated to this, restarted your computer, your VOID headset will start working entirely. So to fix it, you'll need to right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, then find Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right click on Corsair VOID PRO Wireless and uninstall the device. Once that's done, restart your computer and it'll reinstall the drivers and everything will be working again. It's as simple as that. You don't even have to roll back to an older version. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
DownloadSource.net.